Hey guys, Jules Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to learn Love Theory by Kirk Franklin. This song is in the key of D flat. Okay, so let's start off with the intro. You're going to be starting on this nice F major 7. You're going to play this nice little rhythmic. So you're playing an F sharp major 7. So you're going to be playing an F sharp octave like in your left hand, and in your right hand you're going to be playing this B flat minor. Together it makes an F sharp major 7. But you're going to take your right hand and go from B flat minor to A flat major. Go to this B flat 9 sus4, just playing an A flat chord on top of B flat, and you're going to go from A flat to this perfect fourth of A flat. Same pattern. And then B flat, A flat over C, D flat, back to the first chord. All together it sounds, it's medium speed. You can do this. We're going to go to this chord here, F sharp major 7. I don't want to love nobody but you. Love nobody but you. I don't love nobody but you. So you're playing an F sharp major 7 to a C half diminished, which is a minor 7 flat 5. F altered, which is an F7 sharp 9 sharp 5. A nice, easy way to think of this is a D flat chord on top of F7. So I'm spreading it out, but if you see that if I take this A, over here, play this there, now you have your F7 sharp 9 sharp 5. Then we're going to go to a B flat minor 9, okay, A flat minor 9, D flat 9, 13. Back to the F sharp. Don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. Love nobody but you. I wanna love nobody but you. Okay, and then the next section, well, loving you will be the death of me. Da, 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 da. Okay, so a little tag here, F sharp major 7. You can go to an F7 flat 9 here. Loving you will be B flat minor 9. To a D flat 9. You'll be the death of me. we're going to change. Instead of going to D flat, we're going to go to an E flat. Okay. Then we're going to go to B major 7, A7, A flat minor 9, to a G7 sharp 5, and then back to here. Okay, then he saves the day. And that was Love Theory by Kirk Franklin. Hey, there's more tutorials that you'd like to see up here. I've got some donation links in my bio and the video description. Until next time, take care, guys.